Brad Biznett at Cole Publishing here, and I'm chatting with my friend Mike from Spartan Tool. Mike, how are you doing today?
Good, Brad. Always good to see you, sir.
Great to see you too. Now we're standing in front of the Spartan Defender. Last time you and I talked about a Defender, it was a truck.
It's been about a year ago now, right?
Yeah.
So we're still having a hard time finding chassis. So,
like everybody.
Like everybody. So we went to our great engineering team and said, hey, I got a problem. I need a solution. This is what we came up with.
Hence the trailer, okay.
We put the Defender on a nice aluminum trailer. It is NATM certified, Brad, which is great. Also, for the diesel tank itself, remember last year's model, we tapped right into the diesel tank of the truck, right?
I do, yep.
This one here, now we have an onboard diesel tank as well.
Okay.
Kubota turbo diesel motor. What's nice about this is it's independent, so you don't have to run off a truck PTO.
Excellent. And the trailer is going to be nice and compact, easy to get around town.
Correct. So 106-inch wheelbase. The empty weight is about 3,600 pounds. The wet weight is going to be right at 6,400 pounds.
Okay.
All right. Let's go around back and I'll show you some features back here.
All right, Mike, here we are at the back of the Defender trailer. Give me the rundown of what y'all have going on back here.
All right, so Brad, once again, Defender is a 396-gallon capacity combi unit, okay?
All right.
264 gallons of wastewater, 132 gallons of clean. Now, if we clean the unit out, we can utilize all 396 gallons on here.
Okay.
We got our independent inlet and outlet valves on the back of here. We're gonna have 260 feet of half-inch high-pressure hose, a pivoting suction reel, your inlet valves for your water, and on this side over here, we have our antifreeze system with remote control.
Tell me a little bit about the remote control you have in your hand.
The remote control itself is a 9-channel remote control that can operate absolutely everything on this unit.
Fantastic. I'm a fan of the Defender series, Mike. Where can somebody go for more information?
You can always go to www.spartantool.com or contact your local territory manager.
I appreciate it.
Thanks, Brad.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.